So, good day, sir. I'm Dexter Magallanes from Tunan Kanangaliti, and I'm 20 years old, B Smart E3 Alpha. So, this day, I will be discussing about the unders, unders, understanding the dichotomy in human composition. Uh, I heard people talk about dichotomy of humans, but what does it mean? It's actually simple. Dichotomy means dividing something into parts. When we talk about humans, it's the idea that we're made up of two main components, the body and the soul. So, what is the body? Or we can also also its body is also our the tangible, or let's say the body is our physical sides, the part you can see and touch. It's our bones, muscles, skin, everything that's keep us alive and functioning in the physical world. And about the soul or intangible part, that is our spiritual side. It's invisible but real. It includes things like thoughts, emotions, and our sense of right and wrong. It's what connect us to deeper meaning and purpose. So, but how do they work together? That's the question. Think of it like this: the body is like car, and the soul is the driver. The car moves and interact with the world, but the driver controls where it goes and why. Without the driver, the car is useless, and without the car, the driver can't move around. So the dichotomy shows how we're made of two connected parts. It reminds us that we need to care for both parts, our physical health and our inner well-being. So, it is where balance is key for living a good life, and that's all. So